Good afternoon to the criminal community all over the world and to everyone watching this broadcast live all over the world, wherever you are, whatever your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunoluwa Inde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, today I just want to encourage and also to remind and to also notify for as many who are here to hear about this special and wonderful offer coming up in the month of July within the Kringle community. Guys, it is tagged Christmas in July. Christmas in July. This is a wonderful gift from the TBC admin to the entire community members and to as many who will join us. Christmas in July. Everyone that pays the Pioneer program fee in K-Love during the month of July 2022 we get 1,000 TBC as gift from the admin. Guys, this is a wonderful opportunity. This is another time for everyone to acquire more coins. Don't forget, K-Love is around the corner. We are counting days, guys. Christmas in July. 1,000 TBC coin gift. Tagged Christmas in July. This is another great opportunity to acquire more TBC. This is a very rare privilege to acquire more coins. That is the TBC and equally the K-Love. So do all within your best to take advantage of them. As mentioned in a previous blog post, the new private public partnership that begins in January will allow you to get an equal number of K-Love, which is called the equal match at the end of mass adoption of TBC for every TBC coins you hold at the time starting from January 12, 2023, when K-Love will be released firstly to the core team members. Guys, and to the core team members, shout to you. I congratulate you all and I wish you all the best. Guys, and to others who are on the backup team and others, please don't relent. Don't lose your spot. Ensure you make your payment regularly and pay before the expiration of your back office. Pay in advance. So guys, what if the price of K-Love is $100 at that time? This is 1,000 TBC coin gift could be worth 100,000 naira, $100,000 at that time in equal and pure liquid coins on the market. So hurry up, prepare and plan to make your payment fee. Don't forget your program fee is monthly, and if you have the capacity you can pay the annual fee as many of us did. So guys, payment for the month of July starting from 1st of July to receive this 1,000 TBC gift. It is a gift from the admin. Guys, we don't buy these coins. We are being given and it's a gift. So you can either accept or reject it, but I beg you, accept this gift offer from the TBC admin. This great gift offer is available to every member that pays the program fee in the month of July. So do not lose out in this opportunity again. Many has lost the past, many have not yet been paid up, but now this is an opportunity for you to acquire more coins. And because of the generosity of our Hebrew admin, want for as many of us to have enough coins and equally enough K-Love. So guys, take up this opportunity. You know, if such who knows if such will ever come again. So guys, let the abundance overflow. That's one of the quotes of our TBC admin. Let the abundance overflow. TBC is my birthright. And guess what? Sapphire Jewel cares for you. So guys, take up this opportunity. Come on board. Pay your program fee. Prepared from now. We just have less than a week to go. Next week Friday is 1st of July. Then payment start rolling in. Begin to prepare from now and make your payment if you have not yet done so. For as many who are not paying the annual program fee, so guys, monthly pay, ensure you pay. And let me say this: if your back office expires in the month of June. Let's say, for instance, it expires today, which is the 25th of June, and you make payment either yesterday or today for this. Guys, know that that is payment for June, not for July. You have to make payment in the month of July to qualify for this promo. Not because your payment for June extend to July. Why? Because if you pay just a month interval, if you pay today, you are covered from now, which is the 25th of June, to the 25th of next month. So guys, that does not mean you have paid for the month of July. You need to make another payment in the month of July, which qualifies you to participate to get the reward, this gift, in the month of July. So guys, prepared. Prepare to make your payment from the first day of July. So guys, let's keep acquiring this coin. Very soon, we shall continue to laugh and laugh best. Thank you, and also don't relent in your prosperity to other friends, loved ones, colleagues, family members out there. Don't let them come tomorrow and start blaming you. Go and do your part. Tell them now. Thank you, guys. See you. Have a wonderful and a blessed weekend. Don't forget, give this broadcast a thumb up, and at the same time, that bell by your right hand side, click on it and subscribe to this channel so you always get a first hand notification. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you.